Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to flip text vertically in Excel. If you want the text across multiple cells, select them now and click on Merge button. This will combine the selected cells into one larger cell. Next, we need to flip text. To do this, select the Merge cell and click on the small arrow in the Alignment group under the Home tab, and choose how you want to rotate your text. You can right-click the cell and select Format Cells. In the Format Cells window, go to the Alignment tab. Under the Orientation section, use the arrow to adjust the angle and create a custom rotation for your text. And there you have it! You've just learned how to rotate text in Excel. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips.